Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel PI Prep Indeed. Please subscribe and share the maximum if you like the video. Today I'll be taking you through the Indian Air Force admission test examination they have called for flying branch, ground duty, technical and non-technical, also the NCC special entry. Now we will write the exam in January 2022, but the course will be commencing in Jan 2023. Currently, the date of application, online application is open and the last date is just 1 week from now. It's 30th December. Watch the complete video and apply as soon as possible. The exam will be conducted in 12th February, 13th February and 14th February. So SSC for men and women is for flying entry. There are minimum physical standards that you need to check for being eligible for each branch. Go through the complete notification and apply accordingly for whatever branches you are eligible. Mostly all of you will be eligible for ground duty, technical and ground duty non-technical based on your engineering branches. So for men it will be permanent commission, for women it will be short service commission of maybe 10 years. For to be eligible for flying branch, there is certain minimum height you need to acquire. And flying branch through AFCAT and special NCC entry, all these things read word by word in the notification, and this is applicable only for unmarried people below the age of 25. Most importantly, the educational qualification they expect for you being eligible for flying branches, you should have a 10+2 background of mathematics and physics with minimum 50% in each, along with graduation with minimum 3-year degree. It can be any degree, BCom, BSc, anything. Even B or BTech is eligible both with minimum 60% or equivalent marks. Also, there is one more exam, associate membership of on afcat.cdac.in. The link is in the description box. And the exam will be really an easy one. It is not at all a tough task to do. You still have 1 month to prepare. With that 1 month, if you are giving your heart and soul into this preparation, I can very surely tell you you can crack this AFCAT exam very easily. It will also have an EKT, Engineering Knowledge Test, which is a subject-based test. Even after clearing that also, you will be eligible for the technical entry, which is also a very prestigious. Here comes the syllabus. For AFCAT, it will be general awareness, verbal ability, numerical ability, reasoning, and military aptitude. It is a 2-hour test with 100 questions. Each question has 3 marks, and for each negative question, there will be -1. If you don't attempt any, there won't be any deduction. For EKT candidates, for mechanical, computer science, and electrical and electronics. For electrical and electronics, it means EC people are also eligible. It is a 45-minute test with 50 questions. Again, the same rule applies. Each correct answer fetches you 3 marks. Each wrong answer, you'll have to deduct -1. So there are multiple stages in this AFCAT. Just be aware. You can check the complete notification in the description, and all the best for your career. Thank you. Do hit a like.